There are places the maps leave blank, stories science has yet to explain, and wonders so strange they challenge what we think we know. This is Mystery and Marvel, where curiosity leads and the world reveals its hidden truths. In 1799, British scientists received a specimen from Australia, a furred creature with a duck's bill, webbed feet, a beaver's tail, and a claim it laid eggs. They declared it a hoax, a taxidermist's prank. Impossible, they said, because no mammal does all that. Yet, here it was. And today we know, this animal doesn't just defy categories, it rewrote the textbooks. Meet the platypus, evolution's ultimate rebel. Found only in eastern Australia and Tasmania, the platypus is one of just 5 surviving monotremes, egg-laying mammals. Its lineage split from all other mammals over 166 million years ago. Think about that. When Stegosaurus roamed, platypus ancestors were already diving in freshwater streams. For decades, scientists struggled to classify it. Linnaeus' system had no slot for a warm-blooded, milk-producing animal that laid leathery eggs and had no nipples. Even its skeleton is a mosaic: reptilian shoulder girdle, mammalian jaw, electroreceptors in its bill like a shark's. It hunts with eyes, ears, and nostrils closed, navigating entirely by sensing tiny electric fields from shrimp muscle contractions, 60 times more sensitive than human touch. The real shock came in the 2000s when the platypus genome was sequenced. Scientists expected a primitive blueprint. Instead, they found 827 million base pairs, more than chickens, nearly as many as humans, and a genetic patchwork: 80% mammal genes, 10% reptile and bird-like genes, and 10% entirely unique, found in no other vertebrate. Then there's the venom. Males have a keratin spur on each hind ankle connected to a crural gland. During breeding season, the venom's protein cocktail changes, growing more potent, targeting pain receptors in ways that don't respond to morphine. Human victims report agony lasting weeks, even months. Why? Not for defense, but for male-male combat. In lab tests, injected males become hyper-aggressive, ignoring injuries to fight rivals. And yes, it truly has no stomach. The organ vanished 100 million years ago. Its esophagus opens directly into the intestine. How does it digest? Acid-secreting cells line the intestine itself. Efficiency through radical simplification. Despite decades of study, mysteries remain. How does a species so archaic thrive in fast-changing ecosystems? Platypuses survived Australia's mega-droughts, ice ages, and human colonization, yet now face extinction from dams, fishing nets, and climate-driven droughts. Their electroreception is unmatched among mammals, but we still don't know how their brain integrates electric, tactile, and memory data in real time. Most unsettling, wild populations showed declining genetic diversity. A 2023 study warned they could vanish from entire river systems by 2070, taking irreplaceable evolutionary history with them. The platypus isn't a missing link, it's a parallel path, proof that life doesn't march in a straight line toward perfection. It experiments, it discards, it reinvents, and sometimes it keeps a venom spur just in case. If this story made you rethink what normal biology means, if you believe weirdness is worth protecting, then act. Like to signal that science communication matters. Share with a biology teacher, student, or someone who thinks evolution is just a theory. Comment, what other impossible creature should we feature next? The immortal jellyfish? The regenerating axolotl? You decide. Nature doesn't follow rules. It writes them, then tears up the draft. Until next time, stay questioning. This is Mystery and Marvel. See you on the next one.